It's Irfan, and I've got a Singer 5825C model, and this here is broken where you plug in the foot controller plug. That's broken. I was able to pick up a replacement with the right plug I got a replacement from AliExpress sewing machine foot controller, US 110 volts for $10.87. Alright, now the reason why this got broken is because they probably had an aftermarket foot controller like this, and because it doesn't fit snug in here, they kept pushing on it, and that's what broke it. So I'm gonna have to crazy glue this here. I'll clean it up, crazy glue it, and what I'll do is on this plug I'm gonna put a tie wrap around here, so when they put it in, the tie wrap is gonna stop it from going in any further, so they can't, you know, push it in more than that. They just have to push it in, and where it sits, that's it. So let me get working on that. I took this screw out from here, and I'm going to put a piece of plastic, it's a little piece of plastic on here, so that if any glue goes through, these are not going to stick there permanently. So this cover is back on, and that's in place here. Now I'll show you when they put this in to here, being it's an aftermarket part, it doesn't fit in snug. It's still loose. It's still loose there, but it's making contact. So because it's loose, they have a feeling it's not making contact, so they continue to push it in. That's how that part got broken. So I'm going to put a tie wrap around here to make it stop right there. Now what I did, I put the tie wrap here, hopefully to prevent it from going in any further. And I also put some elastic here to keep some tension on it. So the way it works, I've got it plugged in here already, and it has the light under here. I'll pull this out, and you'll see even with the switch on, there's no light. But if I put the pressure on here, you'll see the light with the switch on, the light is going to come on. There, you see, just a little bit of pressure. If I take it out, put it in. So it just needs that little bit of pressure to make sure it works. And right, so hopefully they'll see, that's it, no more pressure is needed, and it works fine. Alrighty, so that's my fix so far. I crazy glued this piece in here, put a piece of tie wrap there to prevent it from going in any further, and this elastic just to hold it, just for their peace of mind. You know, let me see if I can do it this way. You see there? Even with the elastic pressure, it works. And that's it. That's all the pressure you need. Alright guys, thanks. And I had to make this here. See, on this one it's got this thing here, but it was missing on this one, so I cut a piece of plastic and I made this here to keep the thread reel in. I'm going to clean up these machines before I send them away. Give them a little wipe down with some glass cleaner. So I got them cleaned up now. This Singer 5825C. A little bit of elbow grease. Clean it up nicely. Got out all of the stains and blemishes that it had on it. And remember, that's my fix down here. That's that one. And this part here comes out. This is your little storage compartment there, right? And this comes out. To get this part out, you just lift it up here. Lift that up there. Lift up the other side. And this comes out. To get it in, see that thing there? Goes in here. So this is going to go in like this. That part goes into the hole, right? And this pushes down, and this here pushes down as well. You have to really push down on this part hard, and it snaps in. As long as it's flush there, it's good. All right. So to get it out, actually lift up this side first. It's easier. Lift that up there, and then lift this side up. You need two hands to do it. I couldn't do it with one hand. Lift that up, take it out, put it back in. Goes in like that. That back part snaps in, and this part snaps down like that. Okay, and that's your bobbin in there.